Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. Today we're going to cover the DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD pairs. First of all, have a look over here on the economic calendar. We can see here all pretty good for news today. Obviously, a lot of news tomorrow that we need to be aware of. So we just need to be careful of that. And then obviously Friday as well, looking pretty terrible. So today we'll just see how we're looking. So Dixie at the moment, 4-hour chart. We can see here we are definitely bearish, had this bullish impulse, bearish retrace. Now, if we throw a fib on this impulse here, we can see here that we're actually starting to pull back down into the 618 area, right where these two extended wicks are, which is an interesting point in there. And we've also got obviously this lower area just below the imbalance. So need to be careful of this 618 area here if we are going to see a proper reversal there, being that we do have some 4-hour imbalance sitting in there as well. And I'm sure possibly some daily imbalance as well is sitting in there as well. So we need to be careful of that. So jump down the 15-minute, obviously bearish 4-hour, bearish 15-minute. We're looking for 15-minute trades here. So basically, we're currently, yesterday we can see in yesterday's price action that we were looking for a break and retest, which we obviously didn't get, or we're looking for some impulse higher up into a higher range before coming lower. Obviously, it did break to the high side, but obviously not for very long, and then decided to turn. So didn't quite get what we were looking for yesterday, but we did obviously get that bearish impulse that we were looking for. So now at the moment, we are working within this leg from here to here on the 15-minute time frame. So what we're going to be looking for in here is any areas that could be of interest for us to be looking to sell from. So looking here at the moment, we've got our consolidated Asian range here. We do have like an impulse up and we've pulled back. So we could see a possible rejection out of this area here. We could obviously see something around this 786 area up here, this last little impulse before the sell, that last bullish candle there. And obviously we do have the origin block up here as well. Now, if we have a little bit closer look at that origin block, yes, it was responsible for sweeping these liquidity highs through here. So that could be an area that we could be looking to see come up and tap. So anything breaking to the high side, sweeping up into these areas are definitely going to be areas of interest to sell from. And obviously vice versa, a pull down, retest, and go short again, looking to obviously come down further into this area, looking to for this extended wick to see if we can look we can see these big wicks in here, if we can be looking to come into this area to see what sort of price action we're going to get there. So that's basically my analysis for the Dixie for today, looking for these areas. Euro USD. So Euro USD yesterday got sort of I ended up taking a loss yesterday on Euro. Just got this push up into this area, and then this doji candle formed, and I was starting to look to sell off. Then obviously got a short-term sell, and then continued buying. So got caught out there, but obviously come up, broke this structure. Now, if we look at the higher time frame, we are obviously definitely bullish at the moment, creating highs and stuff, higher highs, high. So higher highs mixed with a 15-minute bullish structure. We're looking for bullish trades on the 15-minute. So basically what we're working within at the moment is yesterday's leg here, this impulse leg, looking for areas within there that are of interest. So we throw our Fibonacci on. So firstly, we can see here a little area just here that could be looking for a to buy from. We also have one down here. We also have this area down here, this last bearish impulse here before going long, and then obviously the origin from down in here, which, as we can see here, swept Asian lows and the liquidity on the end of this wick as well. So these are the areas that we could be looking to trade from today to go long from here, and here, and possibly even further if we do get a big impulse down into here, which is probably a little bit unlikely, but could be trading from there as well. Or failing that, we see a push to the upside, probably wanting to see it break that wick, come back and retest it, and then go long. So that's Euro. GBP USD. So we were waiting. We had a look here yesterday. We had these couple of areas drawn out for a possible rejection. Obviously, we came into this area, but we did nip just a little bit lower into the lower portion of this block here. I think if we were to take that from this last candle here, obviously a great little tap in there, and then a rejection. So basically, right analysis, wrong timing. But obviously came down into here, tapped into here, and then has seen a bounce away. 4 hour on GBP is definitely bullish, and 15-minute at the moment is still bullish. So we are working within. So 15-minute, we've had this impulse up, had this big pullback down, and now we're starting to work back up. So we could assume that this is our current low. We could come a little bit further down into this area here, but it's probably unlikely. So we would assume now that we possibly see a possible return back to an area here. Possibly see a return back to an area here to go long, or we see something more like this. But that's my analysis on GU for today as well. So anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on again, and I'll catch you all for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.